Hi there, Face here. Do you know what sound a cow makes? A cow says moo. Now I have a message for all the cows out there watching. Moo, 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 moo. That's cow talk for you're watching Nick Jr. The busy world of Richard Scarry is up next. Moo.